Having logged into the SportBrain, you will now see your homepage screen. You can navigate to all the sections of the SportBrain from the homepage and can return back at any time by simply clicking on the SportBrain logo. You will see your username displayed on screen. If you or your learners click on the username, the SportBrain will take you to the appropriate tutor page or learner page. The Details tab simply tells the user's current details. The Edit tab allows users to update personal details, add further information, and change their password if needed. The Progress tab allows tutors and learners to enter a target grade and a working at grade for the learner. The Activity tab indicates your recent use of the learning platform. You can also monitor learner use of the platform by accessing the learner's profile. The Classes tab shows users which class or classes they are enrolled in. Tutors are able to simply click on each class name to access the relevant class page. Please see the class page video for more information on the feature of the class page. Having accessed the Class tab, you will also see the new class enrollment box. Some of your tutors are likely to need to enroll in more than one class. You may have 2 first-year cohorts, for example. Rather than having to register again, the tutor can enter the enrollment code for the additional class in the box and then simply click the Enroll button. The new class will then be added to the tutor's list of active classes. This feature also works for learners should they need to be entered into 2 classes. For quick access to class pages for tutors, the home page also identifies each class in which the tutor is enrolled. In order to access a specific class to mark work or check progress, for example, the tutor simply clicks on the relevant class name. Please see the class page video for more information on the features of the class page. From the home page, users can immediately access specific units. This is likely to be the main navigation method used by learners to access their learning or assessment tasks in a unit. Tutors may also click straight into a unit if they intend to go through an assignment with the class or if they wish to integrate a learning task into their lesson. Each unit on the program is listed, and learners will also see a progress bar which begins to increase as learners submit assessment tasks. They will also see grade stamps of pass, merit, or distinction appear over each unit once they complete and achieve the relevant grading criteria. Many learners like this feature as it provides a quick indication of their current progress and performance. When a user clicks on a unit, Unit 1 Principles of Anatomy and Physiology for example, the unit page is displayed. The top of the page will list the unit name, credit value, recommended GLH, and level. The aim and the purpose of the unit, along with an introduction, is then provided for learners. The right-hand side of the unit page displays the assessment sections of the unit. In the current Anatomy and Physiology unit, there are 5 assessment sections, each displaying the relevant assessment and grading criteria. The relevant assessment section is accessed by simply clicking on the relevant image or its title. The user is then taken into the Learning and Assessment section. This section displays the assignment title, the relevant learning outcome, and the assessment and grading criteria. A vocational scenario or context is provided, enabling learners to relate their learning and assessment tasks to real-life situations. The right-hand side of the assessment page houses the relevant learning and assessment tasks. Learners can prepare for their assessment by accessing the learning tasks, which help them understand the awarding body's indicative content, or they can simply access the assessment tasks. Please see the Completing Assessment Tasks video for more information on how assignments are completed and submitted by learners. It is important to remember that each unit and the number of assignments can be structured to meet the needs of your own centre and learners if the bespoke package is selected.